Lunch ends in a Japanese school. A chime plays, and then the chairs go up, upside down on the desks.
Wait, what's happening? Is something wrong?
Nothing is wrong. The students who were sitting in those chairs 10 minutes ago start cleaning the school.
Why do students clean their own schools in Japan?
Let me guess, the schools can't afford janitors?
That's the most common guess, and it's wrong. Japanese schools do employ professional maintenance workers. The cleaning isn't there because nobody else would do it. It's in the national curriculum. Since 1947, about 20 minutes after lunch, most days of the week, written in as education, on the same footing as arithmetic and gym.
Cleaning as a school subject?
As character education. The idea, the people who use a space should be the ones who care for it. A student who has cleaned the school toilet is, in some small way, a different person than one who never had to. Picture your own school years. Now imagine, every day after lunch, you and your class sweep your classroom, wipe the floors, clean the entrance. Rotating. Everyone.
Okay, honestly. Did everyone actually do it? Seriously and quietly?
Honestly? No. My memory of it is messier. The whole class shoving the desks to one side at once, that grinding rattle of the legs across the floor. I can still hear it. And then, someone starts a sword fight with the brooms. Someone shoves a wrung-out rag under a friend's nose. Here, smell it. A few kids quietly slacking off in the corner.
That sounds exactly like every school on Earth, actually.
Right. And that's what makes the design interesting. Nobody pretended children would love it. The 20 minutes were kept in the curriculum anyway, on purpose, for decades.
So does it actually work? Does it build character like they planned?
I can't tell you. Whether it formed my character, I honestly don't know. What I can tell you is that the reflex is there, decades later. Caring for a shared space doesn't feel like someone else's job. And the model traveled. By 2026, more than 18,000 schools in Egypt had adopted parts of this approach.
But 20 minutes every day. Some kids must hate losing their lunch break, right?
Some do. The rotations aren't always felt as fair. Someone gets the toilets. In some schools, it's become an empty routine. The ideal and the reality don't always match. Both are true. So that's the answer. It's not about spotless floors, and it was never about saving money. It's a country deciding on purpose that a shared place is something children should learn to care for with their own hands.
So the clean streets we talked about, this is where that begins.
You can't visit a cleaning period, but you can see what it leaves behind. Watch how people treat a park, a train seat, a shared table. When something is everyone's job, it stops being nobody's. This is Ngadza Japan, the quiet logic of everyday Japan.